Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Laurel and I am a 39-year-old mom and wife and business owner, which just means busy, busy, busy. I really struggle finding time to make time for myself and do my hair, do my makeup, and just feel girly sometimes. And so I wanted to make a YouTube channel where real girls, women, I don't know why I keep thinking I'm a girl, I'm almost 40 years old, but anyways, I wanted to do a YouTube channel and also a Facebook and Instagram page, kind of just talking about, you know, some of the struggles of daily life for us busy moms and wives and business owners, just everything we have going on in life. I started following some different people on Instagram and was getting super inspired. Like, for the first time in my life, I thought, I'm finally gonna do this Instagram thing, check people out, see what they're doing, especially since we are a YouTube family. I thought it's time for me to kind of get in touch with reality. So I did that, and I did find some really amazing women to follow on Instagram with some great style ideas for the home and for fashion and makeup, and I was super stoked. So one of my favorite girls on Instagram, she's always piecing together these really amazing outfits from Walmart and Target. So I was super excited, and I went to Walmart and tried to find all these great pieces that she bought so I could try them myself, because I could freshen up my wardrobe for a really inexpensive price. Well, problem being is I'm not 5'2", and I'm not a size 00. Don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with being that size, but I'm not, and I never will be. I am a size 10. I'm overweight right now. I'm very insecure about my weight, and when I went to try all these outfits on and try to recreate these looks, I just got super frustrated, and my self-esteem kind of just went right down, because I thought, well, here it is, I tried again and I failed. I'm not good at any of this. So talking to my husband about this, and he's kind of seeing my frustration, he's like, you need to do a YouTube channel, because there's so many women like you who are going through the same thing and have the same struggles. So maybe you could do a channel of you trying things, maybe for like a more realistic point of view. So here I am. I would like to go on this adventure with you guys and try on different outfits, try clothes from different stores, whether it be Target or Walmart, but maybe more towards a more realistic for me type size, finding cute things that look good on girls like me, trying different hair products, makeup products, some of the upper, more expensive ones, and then also doing some on the cheap. I am famous for my $5 bottle of foundation. I am wearing it right now. It's not the most amazing foundation in the world, but I will definitely go buy it if it makes me feel good about myself. So just a little background as to why I'm doing this channel, why it's important to me. I know most of my friends and I, we are all about the same size, and we're busy, and we want to be the Pinterest or Instagram mom that we see, and we just have a really hard time putting that together ourselves. So I thought with this channel we can try some things. We might win, we might lose, some might be epic fails, but we're gonna try it together and see what we can come up with. So that's my background. I'm excited to do this, and we'll be seeing you soon. Bye.